Hello everyone, welcome back to Level Up Phonics. In previous videos, we have learnt about Group 1, Group 2 and Group 3 sounds with their words and actions. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch. In this video, we are going to learn about Group 4 sounds with their words and actions. So let's start. AI sound is A, 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 rain, A, maze, A, maid. Let's read. A, rain. A, aim. A, a. A, train. A, maid. Next sound is O. A sound is O. O, boat. O, float. O, goat. Let's read. O, boat. O, float. O, road. O, mole. Next letter is J. Its sound is J, jam. J, jackal. J, jacket. Let's read. Jam. Just. Jet. Jar. Jack. Egg. Jacket. Next sound is I. Sound is I. Pie. I cried. I flies. Let's read. Pie. Tries. Flies. Lie. Next sound is E. Double E makes the sound E. B. Tree. Green. Let's read. B. Tree. Seed. Green. Key. Next sound is or. O-R makes the sound or. Horn. Corn. Born. Let's read. Horn. B born. Storm. Corn. So this was about Group 4 sounds with their words and actions. Hope you liked my videos. If you feel so, please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet again tomorrow with Group 5 sounds with their words and actions. Happy learning! Thank you!